أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start the remaining lesson of Surah Al-Ghashiya. So before starting this lesson, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English and similarly Online Islamic Classes Urdu, so please subscribe both channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. So now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أفلا ينظرون أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت Afala, lam we long due to alif madda is there. Yanzuruna. After the nun sakin, the next letter is ikhfa letter. We read, we make ikhfa here. And also remember, after the nun sakin, the next letter is heavy letter. Then also there is heavy ikhfa then, like the heavy. There are two types of ikhfa. One is light. If after the nun sakin or tanween, if light letter come, then we read light ikhfa from the ikhfa letters. Similarly, if heavy letter comes from the ikhfa, like there are 15 ikhfa letters, so if heavy letters come from 15 ikhfa letters, then we read heavy ikhfa there, as we say yanzu, yanzu, like the heavy sound on the ikhfa as well. The za we read also in heavy because this is isti'la letter. Ra we read in heavy sound due to dhamma on it. And after this ra, there is waw madda we long here. Yanzuruna. Yanzuruna. Ilal ibili. So we do not long any letter here. Lam we connect with the lam. Ilal e. Then Hamza has a kasra under it. E. So this is e. We cannot say libili, right? So because lam is already connected with the previous one, ilal, so lam is finished now. And the next is e. Ilal ibili kaifa. Kaf we read in light sound, and also this is ya lead, we read softly sound. Fa kaifa khuli. Kha we read in heavy sound, lam we read in light sound, and then qaf also we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. And when we stop on this ta, and this ta we read in light sound, but also we make shiddat and hams quality in the end, as we say khuli qat. Qat, like when we say qat, this is shiddat. In shiddat we discontinue our sound, as we say qat, qat, this is shiddat. And when we release the ta sound, then hams quality come qat, qat, right, like the in weakness sound. Khuliqat. So we say now, أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت. Now you can see here is a stop sign, and on the stop this is a waqfa is written. So what is the meaning of this waqfa? So waqfa meaning like whenever this type of sign comes is similar like a sakta. So in sakta basically we hold our sound for a while, but we do not break our breath, right? Similarly is here, like if you would like to continue on this place, so you will hold your sound for a while, like you will break your voice, but you do not break your breath. That is the meaning of waqfa. So what is the difference between sakta and waqfa? In sakta we hold our voice or we break our voice for a while, but in waqfa it's a bit long, right? So if we talk about sakta, so a sakta example is like in the Surah Al-Mutaffifin. So there is one ayat, so kalla bal. So after the bal there is sakta, so we hold our voice, like we break our voice, but we do not break our breath. So then we say the next word, as we say kalla bal rana. After the bal and before the rana there is a sakta sign. we are breaking our voice on the bal, but we are not breaking our breath. That is called sakta. So we say again, kalla bal rana, right? So waqfa is also the same, but the difference is in sakta we hold, like we break the voice in short, and in waqfa we long little. So we say, if we make waqfa here, so we say khuliqat wa ila samai in the same breath. This khuliqat and wa ila sama we read in the same breath, but just we break our voice longer than sakta. Wa ila samai, wa ila samai, kayfa rufi'at, kayfa rufi'at, wa ila sama. Lam we connect with the sin las samai. So this meme will belong due to alif madda, and alif madda has a mad sign. So if the rule is after the madda letter, if hamza comes in the same word, that is called madde muttasil, like the joint mad. So also this is madde wajib. So we long 3 to 5 seconds here. So we say wa ila samai kaifa. Kaf we read in light sound, on the ya we read softly. This is yaleen. Kaifa rufi'at. Ra we read in heavy sound due to dhamma on it. On the ta also we make the stop, and then we make shiddat and hams quality as well. Rufi'at. So now we read this complete. Wa ila samai kaifa rufi'at. And now I just want to tell again this waqfa how to read on this place if we continue. If we stop, so then we say khuliqat and we stop, and then we say wa ila sama, like the in the same way easily. But if you would like, don't stop here, how to do this waqfa, so that I want to tell now. So I will read according to waqfa now without stopping on this place. I will break my voice, but I will not break my breath. So listen carefully. أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت وإلى السماء كيف رفعت وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت. So this is called waqfa, like you break your voice but don't break your breath. So the next is وَإِلَى الْجِبَالِ وَإِلَى الْجِبَالِ كَيْفَ نُصِبَتْ كَيْفَ نُصِبَتْ وَإِلَى الْجِبَالِ. We do not long any letter here, only this ba, because there is alif madda. وَإِلَى الْجِبَالِ كَيْفَ Nusiba. This is noon here, and this swad we read in heavy sound, and the ta we make again hams and shiddat quality. Nusibat. Wa ilal jibali kayfa nusibat. Wa ilal ardi. Wa ilal ardi kayfa sutihat. Kayfa sutihat. Wa ilal ardi. So this ra we read in heavy sound because ra has a sukun sign and there is fatha before the ra, so that's why. And dot is from isti'la letter, we read in heavy sound. Wa ilal ardi, ardi kaifa sutiha. This scene we read in light sounds, ta we read in heavy sound, ha we say from the middle of the throat, and on the ta we make hams and shiddat quality. So we say suti, su light sound, sutihat, sutihat. Now we say wa ilal ardi kayfa sutihat. And if you want to make waqfa on this place, so then we continue on this place, as then we say wa ilal jibali kayfa nusibat wa ilal ardi kayfa sutihat. So you have an option, if your breath is long, so you make a waqfa then, but otherwise if you want to stop, that is also good. And the next is fadhakkir, fadhakkir Innama anta. Innama anta mudhakkir. Mudhakkir. Fadhakkir. Zal we read in soft sound, and this ra we read in light sound because ra has a sukoon sign and there is kasra before the ra. So we read ra in light sound. Fadhakkir. And after this ra there is one sign which is called kif. Qaf and fa, which is called kif. And in Arabic, kif means you stop. So that's why we stop here. Fadhakkir. Innama. On the noon there is a shadda sign. We make gunna. Mim we long due to alif madda, and the alif madda has a mad sign which is little mad, because after the madda letter which is alif, the next is hamza. So we make madde munfasil which is madde jaiz. So we say innama anta. On the noon we make ikhfa. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ta. So we make ikhfa. We hide the sound of noon, and also we long anta. Innama anta mudhakkir. Zal again we did in soft sound. Kaf we did bit strong. And when we stop on this ra, so this ra again we did in light sound, because double dhamma we skip from here, and then ra comes with sukoon sign, and there is kasra before the ra. So we say mudhakkir. This double dhamma we skip from the ra. We do not read mudhakkiru like that if we like to stop. And now we say fadhakkir innama anta mudhakkir lasta alayhim. Lasta alayhim bimusaytir. Bimusaytir. Lasta. This is lam. We connect with the scene and we make hums and whistling sound. Lasta alayhim. Ya is yalin. And on this make we make ikhfa shafawi. We hide the sound of meme, and also we read softly alayhim bi. Alayhim by joining our lips, and but we close softly. Alayhim bi muswai. On the swat there is a little scene, but we do not read this scene. Instead of scene we read the swat there. So with heavy sound, muswai, swai, muswai twir. This ta we read in heavy sound and ra we read in light sound, because when we stop, so ra comes with sukoon sign and there will be kasra before the ra. So we say muswai twir. Lasta alayhim bimusaytir illa ma tawalla. Illa ma tawalla wa kafar. Wa kafar. Lam we read with strong voice il. La we long due to alif madda. Illa ma tawalla. After the noon sakin there is ikhfa letter which is ta. We hide the sound of noon and also we long ma tawalla. Wow we connect with the lam with the strong voice, and because there is shadda sign on the lam, and also we long due to standing fatha. Tawalla wa kafar. Kaf we read in light sound. We do not long anyone here, but ra we read in heavy sound when we stop. So we say wa kafar illa ma tawalla wa kafar fayu'adhibuhu Allahul. فيعذبه الله العذاب الأكبر. عذاب الأكبر. فيعذب. So this zal we read in soft sound. فيعذبه. And the name of Allah we read in heavy sound, because before the name of Allah there is dhamma. So we say فَيُعَذِّبُهُ اللَّهُ, and also we long due to standing fatha on it, and then this is how we connect with the lam, and then we say فَيُعَذِّبُهُ اللَّهُ الْعَذَابَ. Zal we long due to alif madda is there, and ba we connect with the lam. عَذَابَ akbar. On the kaf we make shiddat quality and hums as well. Akbar. And then this ra we read in heavy sound when we stop. So we say فَيُعَذِّبُهُ اللَّهُ الْعَذَابَ الْأَكْبَرُ إِنَّ إِلَيْنَا إِيَابَهُمْ إِنَّ إِلَيْنَا إِيَابَهُمْ. Inna, on the noon we make gunna. Ilay, this is yalin, we read soft. Noon we long due to alif madda, and also this is madde jais, like madde munfasil we long 3 to 4 seconds here. Iya, ya also we long due to alif madda. Ilayna iyabahum. And now we say Inna ilayna iyabahum. ثم إن علينا حسابهم ثم. On the meme we make gunna here because there is shadda sign. Similarly on the noon we make again gunna. There is also shadda sign on the noon. ثم إن alayna, ain we read from the middle of the throat. Lay, this is yalin, we read softly. Noon we long due to alif madda. Alayna hisabahum. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. Sin we long due to alif madda. Hisabahum. Thumma inna alayna hisabahum. And now you can see here is a stop sign, and there is a little ain which is the ruku side, and also you can see to the right side here is written an-nisf. It's mean this is the half of this juz. And now we say all this lesson. Listen carefully and read with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت وإلى السماء كيف رفعت وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت فذكر إنما أنت مذكر لست عليهم بمسيطر إلا من تولى وكفر فيعذبه الله العذاب الأكبر إن إلينا إيابهم ثم إن علينا حسابهم. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video. So have a nice time. If you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. So inshallah see you in the next class with the new surah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.